Question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the values of first one, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second one, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Solution. Let us consider triangle ABC. Let us consider triangle ABC. With angle B equal to 90 degree. See, always I am taking angle B equal to 90 degree. You can take angle C equal to 90 degree also. When tan A is given, you can take angle B or angle C as 90 degree. If tan C is given, then you can take angle A or angle B as 90 degree. Anyone. Okay. What is tan A? Given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Opposite to angle A, we are having BC. So let us call it as 1K now. Opposite side upon adjacent side we will be having. Tan A means what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So 1 is opposite side. So I will take it as 1K. Root 3 is adjacent side. So I will take AB as root 3K. Root 3 into K. By Pythagoras theorem. AC equal to AB square plus BC square under root root 3K whole square plus 1K whole square. Root 3 whole square is 3 only. 1 whole square is 1 only. Outside the bracket you write K square. So under root 3 plus 1 bracket complete k square. So this becomes 4k square, and AC is equal to therefore 2k. Not 2. 2k you have to write. In ratio, k and k will cancel. Now you have to write sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C, because they are required to evaluate. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Now sin A is equal to, look at this triangle again, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2k. So what you will get? 1k by 2k, that is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, calculate cos A. Cos A is root 3k divided by 2k, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Next you need sin C and cos C also. Sin C is C here. Opposite side is root 3k. Hypotenuse is 2k. So root 3k by 2k. That is equal to root 3 by 2 only. We also need what? Cos C. We also need cos C. Cos C is 1k upon 2k. You will have 1 by 2 only. K and k will cancel. K and k will cancel. We get 1 by 2 only. Okay. Now we have to take part 1 and part 2 for evaluation purpose. 1. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Right? Go on substituting the values. Sin A, what you got? Half cos C. Also you got half plus cos A. You got root 3 by 2. Sin C, you got root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. 1/4 plus 3/4 is equal to 1. So this is the value of first trigonometric expression. Have to take second one. Will you take second one as homework? Better. You take it as homework.